Using the Singer Promise sewing machine and the button sewing foot, it is super easy to be able to sew on buttons to your projects. To get started, we're going to place the darning plate over the feed dogs so that when we're sewing on our button, it doesn't try to move the material. The little notches at the side of the darning plate are going to slot into the holes on the machine. The button sewing foot is easily identifiable as it has little blue rubber feet on it. Pop that on the darning plate, raise the claw and slide it underneath. Line it up in line with the claw and lower it down so it can grab it. Slide the piece of material you wish to use under the button sewing foot. As we can see now, space is quite tight and we still need to place our button under there. Taking the lever that raises and lowers the sewing foot, we're going to lift that up, and that is going to raise our sewing foot high enough for us to place the button underneath. When it's in place, we're just going to lower that down. On the stitch selection dial, I have chosen the medium zigzag stitch, so I'm going to try that. To see if we've got the right location for the button, we're going to slowly turn the wheel at the side of the machine and lower the needle down to make sure it goes into the buttonhole. If it does, we're going to do a full stitch and we're going to raise it up to see if it swings across to go down into the hole on the other side. When you know that that's in perfect place, we can then apply pressure to the foot plate and sew on the button. When the button is sewn on, you're ready to remove it. Raise the lever at the back to raise the button sewing foot right to the top and remove the material. And that's how easy it is to sew a button onto your craft projects using your Singer Promise sewing machine and the button sewing foot. Thank you very much for watching my button sewing tutorial. I hope you're enjoying my Singer Promise videos, and if you are, please check out the other videos that I have in my Singer Promise playlist listed in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.